It's Alicia here, and I just washed my hair, and I am going to show you how I style my hair at night when I wash it. But what I'm going to do is I am going to be doing, excuse me, y'all, finger waves. Now, this is a method I came up with late last year and stuff, and I'm going to be using the olive oil style and curl defining smoothie and hold my putty infused coconut oil add body enhance curls and eliminate frizz. This is a favorite product of mine to use, so we're going to not take that much, and anytime I don't use it, I'll so what we're doing is we're just taking a little bit at a time. And we're putting it in my hair. That's all we're just for taking, like I said, about that much. And we're putting it in. Make sure we get it good in the longer pieces. And for people who always ask, Leisha, what kind of hair type? What is your hair type? I always tell y'all, I have a refined curly hair when I don't have a perm in my hair. So right now I still kind of sort of have a perm in my hair. Okay. So we are through with that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you my trick of how I do my um here it is. I'm going to show you how I do my faux finger curls. So this is how I do it. So I am going to brush everything backwards. Now the reason this helps to do it, but it's the way I do it. So we're going to work it. So you gotta make sure you get it brushed all the way. Make sure you get it good. Because this is just one style I do when I go natural. Okay, after you brush it, you're going to take a hair comb, but not any hair comb. You're going to take a hair comb like this or like this. But in my case, I want to take this. And what you're going to do is, you see that? It's just, this is how I do my faux finger curls. Yep, this is the way I do my faux. Well, actually, it's not turning out how I want it right quick. Gotta start this up for y'all. Okay, we're gonna start this over because that comb didn't act the way I needed to act. So, like I'm saying, you're gonna brush it. So, and sometimes you have to start over to get the method you want. So we're going to start with this, and we're just gonna easily push to the front. Y'all see that? There go one side. But yeah, you're gonna just push it to the front. Now, you gotta think my hair is growing, is in a growing process. And then another comb you can use is also this comb. And there you go. You have, because you're just pushing it up, but then the rest in the back that's kind of standing up a little. It's like a wavy, curly effect to it. But yeah, that is how I do it. And you have to understand, I still have a little bit of a perm in it. And you just take the flyaways and you just try to lay it, down. But yeah, and this is the faux finger wave curl I do. This is just a curl look that I do, and I hope everybody enjoyed this hair tutorial. And like I'm saying, you can use any type of hair comb. But yeah, until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.